Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum, and this is your host Muhammad Tariq Hassan. Welcome to our channel, and this is our channel. And today is the last day of the year, so and sorry for delay. Upload the video because that was a little bit busy other things. So I come back again anyway to share the very yummy recipe, which is prawn with the spinach. And that spinach actually in local language called Poey saag. Saag in Urdu called spinach actually. So that's my mom recipe. So I'm going to share my recipe with you guys, and hopefully you will like and you will enjoy. So let's start our recipe. Okay viewers, so we got the ingredients already chopped in slices, the one onion, and I just re-sliced 2 tomato, medium size, and we got here a spinach, 1 bunch, already cut it, which I already told you the Poey saag is called special spinach. That's not normal spinach, there's a special spinach called the Poey saag in local language. And we got this one, half kilo prawn, and that prawn actually there's a small size, not like a king prawn in normal the normal size, but this little bit small size. So that's actually very good in taste, you know, and that's ideal size and ideal prawn for this dish actually. And because we cleaned already this prawn, right, and already deveined, so you must have to devein the prawn. So I just show how to devein those people who don't know how to devein the prawn. So if you just slightly cut on top of the prawn, and then you can see inside this very small thread, right? So that's a wastage actually. That's the thing. If you can see that is very small, you know, when you cut it, you can see that small thread. So you have to take it out for clean thing. All right. So we just devein this thing. Normally only on the back of the prawn, but this prawn in front as well, so you have to cut it in front as well, and you have to clean from the front. So very small thread, you can't see in the camera, but I can see here. All right, so that's how you devein the prawn. Okay, so that's our prawn already deveined. I just wash it. Okay, so, and there's a ginger garlic paste already pounded. Okay, so all ingredients ready. We need oil, a little bit oil. All right. Okay, so we got the stove here. Turn on the stove. All right, that's our pot. A little bit oil, just 1 or 2 spoon oil should be enough. Just spread all the oil at the bottom. Just add maybe a little bit more oil. As already told you earlier, that's my mom recipe. I don't know, I can't cook like her, but still, you know, just try. So I already added up oil, and then a little bit more milk oil. Okay, we add onion. nearly there. Form of paste, tomato and onion. Just a little low flame. Keep it low. Can add, it's up to you if you like first ginger garlic paste or the prawn, it doesn't matter. So I'm just adding first prawn. And then ginger garlic paste. The ginger garlic paste actually kill the smell of the prawn. Alright, we added up ginger garlic paste and then mix all this ingredient together. A little bit fried on low flame. We're going to add up our spices now. So for this prawn we need coriander powder. So I just can say 1 spoon of coriander powder, you know. So I just 1 spoon of coriander powder. Half a spoon garam masala, half a spoon chili powder, quarter spoon turmeric powder, if you like cumin and black pepper, you can add it up. Quarter spoon, you can say that. So just add a quarter spoon. Okay, so we already added up our spices and we can add our salt. Salt, like half a spoon salt, or as per your taste, you know. You can add if you like more later when you taste and you need to add more, so then you can add more. So I just put it here, maybe then mix it up. All these spices with our prawn. Let's try to leave it medium flame 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're going to add our spinach with that. So I tasted one prawn actually, so I might feel need a little bit more spice. Not much, so I just added a little bit more chili. A little bit more coriander. Some more garam masala. That's it. Mix it up. Okay. Now we're going to add the spinach in the prawn. So just put all the spinach. Okay. And mix it up. And mix with very gentle. It's not very hard because it's already very small prawn, so it might be kind of falling apart. I'll add up a little bit more salt. Okay, so spinach mixed with the spices and prawn. And just add a little bit of water so the spinach become soft and tender with this water. Much, so just only add a little bit water. And then we can cover with the lid and leave it this maybe 10 to 15 minutes, right? So then we will check again 10 to 15 minutes. Hopefully our prawn spinach curry will be ready here, so we'll find out. Okay guys, now this is our curry. Look at that, it's ready now. So our spinach already very soft and tender, mixed with the prawn. Okay, so we turn off the stove and I can show you the texture of the curry. It's a very nice smell and aroma. Look at that. So you can see that how the texture is strong. Alright, so you can dish out our prawn. Alright, so that's our prawn. Shell looks very yummy, and you can see that. Ah, beautiful aroma. Beautiful. So I can taste. So bread. It's a yummy bite. Oh, that's big. It's a bit soggy, you know, and it's very hot, tasty. Very tasty. Very tasty. I highly recommend you guys try this recipe at your home. I hope you will like this recipe. If you like it, so please like and share, subscribe this channel, and just some comments in the comment box, and I will come up our new recipe very soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.